In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink and remove Facebook Messenger from Pipedrive CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so that Messenger is fully disconnected from your Pipedrive account. Let's start inside your Pipedrive dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical panel with different icons. Look for the icon that has 3 dots. This is usually near the bottom of that panel, and it opens up more options that aren't shown by default. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to expand the menu. Once that menu opens, you'll see several options, and what you're looking for is Marketplace. The Marketplace is where all your apps and integrations are managed, including Facebook Messenger. Click Marketplace and Pipedrive will take you to a new page dedicated to apps. When the Marketplace page loads, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Up there, you should see an option called Manage Installed Apps. This section shows everything that's currently connected to your Pipedrive account. Click on Manage Installed Apps to open that list. You'll now see a page or panel with all the apps you've installed. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate Facebook Messenger. The names are usually listed clearly, so it should be easy to spot. If you have a lot of integrations, just move slowly so you don't miss it. Once you've found Facebook Messenger in that list, click on it. This will open the details for that integration, where you can manage or remove it. On this screen, look for the Uninstall button. This is the control that disconnects Facebook Messenger from your Pipedrive account. Click Uninstall. In most cases, Pipedrive will ask you to confirm that you really want to uninstall the app. This is just a safety step to make sure you don't remove an integration by accident. When the confirmation message appears, simply click Uninstall again to confirm your choice. After that, Facebook Messenger will be unlinked and removed from your Pipedrive CRM. Any future Messenger conversations will no longer sync into Pipedrive, and the integration will no longer appear in your installed apps list. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back to the Marketplace later and reinstall it. But for now, you're all set, and the connection has been successfully removed.